So what if we start with the logo? It would be great to start with the logo, right? That's a great way to start. So the logo is going to be just text. So just write swanky. And then here on the character, if you don't have it open, just go to Window, Type, Character. And then you have this. So it usually doesn't show, it shows like this. But if you want to show the options, just go to here, to the menu, and then show options, and you get all these awesome options. So here we have this. I don't like this font. So I'm going to select a font that I really like, that is Brandon Grotesque. But I really like this. So, it's skinny, it's modern, it's a little bit, I don't know, but a little bit playful. So I'm selecting this. But probably you don't have this font, so it's up to you. I will probably suggest to use Helvetica New. And this is a more system font that is it's really cool, it's nice, and it looks nice everywhere. Okay, so now we have our font ready. This is looking a little bit weird. Probably it's not exactly what we want. So this is just very optional. This is subjective for you. I like this the kerning to set it to optical. It brings it a little bit. It looks better, right? So it's there. We'll just keep it simple. We're not working on a logo, right? But it looks good. Probably will look different on your font. If you want to get creative, please do so. For me, it looks fine right now.